In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this inverted column pattern on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Check out my other videos showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, a 3x3, a 4x4, and even a 5x5. So to do this pattern, you do need to start with a solved Rubik's Cube, so you need to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube or have a solved Rubik's Cube, and you need to know how to use algorithms on a Rubik's Cube too. If you don't already know how to use algorithms, then check out my 3x3 tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So to do this pattern, we just need to use an algorithm, and the algorithm is L2, B2, DI, B2, D, L2, U, R2, D, R2, B, U, RI, F2, R, UI, BI, UI. Let's just go through that then nice and slowly. We go L2, B2, DI, B2, D, L2, U, R2, D, R2, B, U, RI, F2, R, UI, BI, UI. And that gives us this column within a cube. So to undo this pattern, as always, if we can use the original algorithm, I will show you how to undo it using the original algorithm. And we can also use the original one with this too. This column here wants to be on the right, vertical like this. So this is our front face. And we just repeat the same algorithm. Let's start then nice and slowly. L2, B2, DI, B2, D, L2, U, R2, D, R2, B, U, RI, F2, R, UI, BI, UI. And that puts us back to a solved Rubik's Cube. Hope it helped, guys, and thanks for watching. For more Rubik's Cube patterns, check out my other videos. And also, if you know of any other Rubik's Cube patterns that you'd like me to make a video of, then feel free to leave a comment in the comment section with the algorithm, and maybe I'll make a video of that in the future. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.